Good morning, good afternoon guys. So basically in-update ko sa Modern Technology Tailwind yung app natin. Now ganito na itsura niya, kaya lang magkadikit yung sign in tsaka sign up. So remember yung app natin, makakapag-send siya ng feature. Unfortunately, hindi niya nagagawa yung requirements niya. Tingnan mo, pagka nag-sign up ako, though na ano siya, nakikreate siya, channel created. Tapos makikita rin yun sa Firebase natin. Ito yung Firebase natin. Ayun o, yung users. Ito yung channels na na-create. Kung makikita nyo, created naman yung channel. Unfortunately, hindi siya lumalabas sa UI. So, ayun yung debugging na problema natin, guys. As you can see here, pag pumunta tayo sa authentication, yung users, created naman yung dalawang email, Kinkao at GJ. Pag pumunta ka naman sa Firebase, create and then ibig sabihin gumagana yung backend. Ayan o, GJ, tapos Kinkao. So, merong channel. Unfortunately, hindi siya nag-show up sa front end dito. Dapat makikita yun eh. So, yun yung problem natin. Kasi, it's a big problem. Kasi ito pa lang yung pinaka-basic. So, ito yung dapat na nasa app na natin. Tapos, magla-add tayo ng AI enhancement. Tapos, yung mga security features. So ayun lang guys, but anyway, you can watch my previous video and run this code in your environment, guys. So basically I use Node 16, which is old version, to run this. So I created a video for that as well. Also to sagot yung tanong mo, Kois, yung mga language, Tailwind, tapos TypeScript, yun na, etc. So yun, yun lang naman. So thank you.